In this fast-paced era, an efficient desktop assistant is your capable partner in work and life. Today, we are going to introduce a desktop assistant based on YY3568. It utilizes Qt technology. It presents a sleek, user-friendly interface and interactive experience. Whether you are in the office, at home, or on your way, this assistant can help you better manage tasks and life. For demonstration purposes, we use VNC Remote Desktop Assistants. The desktop assistant provides real-time weather information, allowing you to know in advance whether you need to carry an umbrella. Working in a conducive environment in the dormitory is the key to improving efficiency. Our assistant can also monitor indoor temperature and humidity. It helps you to create a work environment. It also has the function of controlling the desktop fan. As the temperature rises, you can easily activate the fan to keep the room cool. On the right is the to-do list. In addition, the desktop assistant supports adding tasks remotely. You can use your mobile phone to remotely add tasks outside the office desk. No longer worry about missing important tasks. The desktop assistant offers you a seamless cross-platform experience. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.